So what I want to talk about today is my choice of the ultimate family car. It is the infamous pickup truck, or a ute, that's what they call it in Australia, and in South Africa we call it a bakkie. Don't ask me why, don't ask me what it means. I still don't understand. I've been told that it was because there's a buck at the back, which is like basically like a tray. It means buck, and key, so they call it bakkie. I don't know. I like to call my bakkie a truck, but then I get laughed at in South Africa. But ultimately, I really think this is the ultimate vehicle for any family, and I'll show you why. Has, as you can see, it's got a very big screen, and it's got amazing dials. Switch it on. I mean, look at that. It's got digital dials there. It's got a digital rev counter. Everything's digital. The only thing that's not digital is the speedometer, and on this side you've got your entertainment and multifunction steering wheel. I mean, these things you only used to find in a very luxury sedan. It's got a massive screen. It's got Apple Play, which means I can go. Oh, no, don't fuck. There we go. You can have your maps. So you've got GPS basically. You've got your entertainment straight from your iPhone. You've even got climate control. Switch that off. And you got Bluetooth. You got reverse camera as well, because it's a very, very long vehicle. Trust me, you need the reverse camera and the park distance control. Also, that helps you with the tow bar that I got when you're trying to hitch onto a trailer. So the interior is very big. It's like an SUV big. It's very comfortable. It's very wide. It's very spacious. You can see the seats are also nicely done. The one that I got, I chose the pleather seats. I didn't choose the cloth seats. The back is also very nice and wide, very comfortable. One of the biggest uses on a bakkie is to carry very heavy loads, or you're carrying something that you can't carry in a sedan or a hatchback. For example, a vacuum machine like this, pretty big. Simply it's locked. Lock it. The boot's big enough to fit a heavy machine. to use both hands, but whatever. It's heavier than it looks. Oh my god, I need exercise. Right. Anyway, take it up. Closing it. And that's how it's done. Now the great thing about this car is that I can fit my whole family in. Guys, let's get into the car. Guys, come, let's go to the car. What's wrong? What's wrong? Come here, come here, come here, come. Come guys, let's go to the car.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye. We're gonna go out now, come. Come, London.
Come. Bye. Okay, come you. Come.
Finally got everyone in the car. And the wife. Okay, off we go. Oh yes, and if you're worried about boot space, don't worry. As you can see, you can fit the whole family at the back, including prams and a toolbox and much more. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay, so the last thing that I find very useful on the Bakkie is I can actually launch my drone from the back of the Bakkie. It basically is my helipad. My drone, as you can see, is here. Drone. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching my video. I appreciate everybody taking the time out to just take a look, and please subscribe, like and comment on my video. Oh yes, the reason for my title is because the Ford Ranger isn't actually sold in America. It's only sold the rest of the world. Yeah, hence the title. But thanks again for watching. See you guys next time.